Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How can you guys make money using AI? Now, this video is not going to be telling you about marketing, about making a picture, or AI can help you design something, because we all know that. Actually, AI is a lot more complicated, and once you start dealing with it, once you start trying to develop something in AI, you understand how deep and how complicated it is. Now, I have been looking at creating something. I am in the middle of something. Inshallah, that's for another time. However, because I have experienced trying to start something in AI and I am in the middle of starting something in AI, I can therefore give you a little bit of insight into the capabilities and how you guys can make money using AI. Now, AI, artificial intelligence, in essence, you are teaching a computer, the computer learns. Once the computer learns, in essence, it's probably way smarter than you. Now, what are the capabilities of AI right now? Much more than people are talking about. A lot of people are saying AI is 3-4 years away until it becomes this and that. And honestly speaking, that's a lie. That's not true. Because if you understand where AI was 6 months ago and where AI is today, it's astonishing. And I'll give you an idea. I'll tell you something. I was looking to create something in AI where AI would in essence speak to you. Now, I'm not going to tell you the idea, the business model, or whatever it was. Look, you can come up with your own idea, but AI was going to speak to you. Now, 4 or 5 months ago, that was not difficult, but yes, it was difficult. It would have been difficult to implement, and it would have been difficult to make that happen successfully. There were a couple of obstacles in the way. Now, today, we know that AI can have a conversation with a person, and actually that's very easily implemented. So 3-4 months ago, AI could not do something. Today, AI could do something which you couldn't have even imagined it can do 4 months ago. So the point is this: if you think AI is going to develop the same way humans develop, people, we as individuals develop over years. AI takes days, weeks, if not maximum months. And so whatever AI is achieving today, whatever AI is doing today, it will be in a completely different place in a year's time. So now you have to understand something. What can AI actually do? AI can have conversations with you. You can speak to AI and not even feel like for a second that you're speaking to a computer, a software, or something which isn't human. And that, by the way, is crazy, because you can develop something for customer service, you can develop something for sales, you could develop something for so many businesses that, for example, speak on the phone. You can have interactions where obviously chatbots do already exist, but to a much deeper level where AI is solving problems for you and you don't even need a team of support. Now, that does mean a lot of change is about to happen when it comes to jobs. However, there are certain jobs that will be all right, and there will be a lot of jobs which will be lost because of AI. That does though mean that AI coming in will mean AI creates more jobs, but it will be at a much lower percentage. So you already know I teach you recruitment and how to start your own recruitment company. You are safe for now. So what I will say is, if you're looking to start your own recruitment company, you're okay, because there are a lot of jobs AI still can't do. Construction, engineering, manufacturing, a lot of IT is obviously going to, time multiply by 10 because of the introduction of AI. So there will always be industries that are safe. You need to place yourself in the right position to make sure that you are making the most of the changes. Now, social media marketing now, I would be worried. I'd be scared. I'd be thinking, actually, if you're doing social media marketing right now, well, a company is going to be able to do their own social media marketing in another 6 months to a year by the click of a couple of buttons. I mean, AI can develop videos, posts, texts, everything very, very quickly, and it will get even better in 6 months. What's the point of me having a social media marketing company? It's going to be difficult. So there are businesses and there are areas in business that are going to see a lot of change. Now, if I was you, how would I try to make money in AI? One, you need to understand the capabilities. AI is actually capable of doing a lot. There will come a point where these robots become a normality in our life. 100%. We're not far from it, because right now we're just experiencing the software side. Once the software side gets implemented with the physical side, actually we're not far from seeing robots. So when I talk about robots, I'm not talking about the iRobot type of crazy human robots. I'm talking about there will definitely be an introduction of robots where they can think for themselves and do things for themselves. And actually, you'll be very surprised where we stand in a year's time. People are currently judging artificial intelligence based on marketing and design, and it comes up with a picture and it makes posts, and oh wow, that is just the top layer of what artificial intelligence can do. Once you understand that AI is actually much smarter than humans, and this, by the way, is very important for you to understand. AI is definitely smarter than humans and will only get smarter. So there will come a point where AI is problem solving, where because of AI, you're not having problems and issues and faults occurring, and therefore you don't need anyone to do fix faults or fix issues because there are no issues because AI is in place. So look, this is what you need to do. You can today create something in AI anywhere from £5,000, £6,000, £7,000 all the way up to £15,000, and obviously more if you are creating something which is extremely technical. Now, the best thing you can do is educate yourself on how artificial intelligence works. Understand that artificial intelligence is much further than what you think, and it is not just a marketing gimmick, which, by the way, 95% of people think right now, and even the gurus that are trying to teach you are saying, oh, you can create things much easier. AI is not that. That is just the foam at the top. You need to understand what you can create with AI. So you come up with an idea. So you understand how to create something with AI, and you are the one that brings that product, that service to the market. And like I said, it could be support, it could be sales, it could be customer service, it could just be chat online, whatever it is. But there is a massive opportunity for people creating something in AI. And in return, in essence, look, you can create something with AI, charge businesses. And I would personally, if I was you, I would charge businesses. Why? Because businesses are a lot more sticky. And what I mean by that is you are able to make money with artificial intelligence. If you are charging businesses are less likely to cancel a subscription or stop paying you, and they are willing to risk paying a service and trying a service because they want to be the leaders in the industry, right? And so I would start with charging businesses a higher amount. Whatever my service, whatever my product, whatever I think that AI can do for businesses, and that's what I would focus on. Create something for businesses, charge them 100, 150, 200 pounds, depending on what you're doing and what problem you're solving. Once you start charging people £100 a month, actually, if you charge 100 companies £100 a month, you're making £10,000 every single month. And by the way, that's £120,000 a year. And yes, that's a lot of money. But if you today were to sell that company, you're going to sell it for 6-7 times what it's making in a year. And so that is the opportunity that we are looking at with AI. AI is what the internet was in the 1990s, where people thought the internet wasn't going to take over, and then it did, and everyone was like, well, we should have done something with the internet. If you're looking to make money in AI, educate yourself, create something, take it to market, and potentially even